Always say less than necessary. This is law number 4 from the 48 Laws of Power. Have you ever noticed how powerful people speak? They do not babble. They do not try to fill the silence. They speak only when it matters. When you try to impress people with words, the more you say, the more common you appear, and the less in control. Even if you are saying something banal, it will seem original if you make it vague, open-ended, and sphinx-like. Powerful people impress and intimidate by saying less. Most men are terrified of silence. Imagine a conversation. There is a pause. It feels awkward. Your heart starts beating. You feel the need to say something, anything, just to kill the silence. This is a sign of submission. You are telling the other person, "I am uncomfortable. Please accept me." Predators can smell this fear. When you explain yourself too much, you hand over your power. You become the prey. Now, let's flip the script. Silence is not empty. Silence is a mirror. When you stay silent, you force the other person to project their own thoughts onto you. Next time you are in a negotiation or an argument, try this. When they finish speaking, do not answer. Look them directly in the eyes. Maintain the gaze, and count to 4 in your head. Watch what happens. They will become nervous. They will start talking again to explain themselves. They will reveal their true intentions. Without saying a word, you have taken control of the room. Familiarity breeds contempt. The more people know about you, the less they respect you. A man who is an open book is boring. A man who is a mystery is a magnet. Stop telling people your plans. Stop telling them your problems. Disappear for a while. Work in the shadows. Let your results make the noise. Remember, you are the master of the unspoken word. But once the word leaves your mouth, you are its slave. From today, make a promise to yourself. Cut your words in half. Double your pauses. Watch how the world starts to treat you differently. Respect is not given. It is taken in silence. Subscribe to join the 1%.